This is called a Poclink radio. I can use this radio to communicate with somebody in a different state. In fact, I can use this radio to communicate with somebody in an entirely different continent. This radio is simply incredible, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Now, what exactly are these walkie-talkie? Well, these walkie-talkies are basically digital radios. They are radios that communicate over cellular, unlike the traditional big radios, which are analog that communicate over a specific channel frequencies. These radios can work basically worldwide because they use digital frequency, they use cellular service. So this allows them to use any cell towers. Now, the difference between this and a regular cell phone is that a cell phone requires typically a stronger cell signal, whereas this one can work with just about the tiniest amount of cell signal, and this one will work worldwide. Analog radio can only work within a few specific distance, but the benefit of analog is that it can work without a cell tower, whereas with this one it cannot work without a cell tower, but if there is any form of cell tower, then it can work pretty much anywhere. Now, as far as the signal goes, there are some countries in which Poclink has partnership or deals where it can work basically in many different countries, but for the most part you can simply go on their website and see if it's compatible with whatever country you are going to. What I really like about this radio is the fact that I can use them, for example, when I'm doing video shoots and I'm shooting a video, I can communicate with somebody else in a different vehicle and just easily communicate with our intentions. That way we can, shoot the video properly and be safe instead of having to deal with a cell phone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside, test out the radio signal, and what I want you to do is pay attention to the latency, how long it takes for the voice to transmit over to my girl who's going to be in a different city testing out the radios for me. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
All right, so right now I'm home doing some yard work, and my girl, I'm here in Chesapeake, and my girl is in, hold up. She's all the way in Virginia Beach, Oceana, and that is about 20 something miles away from me. And we're gonna do a test to see how clear it is. Now, I've already done the test a few minutes ago, but I just wanted to capture that way you guys can hear how clear it is. But testing, 1 2, test 1 2. Can you hear me fine and clear?
Fine and clear. Yes, I can hear you fine and clear.
Now, speaking of, look to the top left of the screen. Can you tell me how many bars are on the screen, like service?
Four.
4 bars.
What's up, Mom?
Now,
Now imagine if we had this on hiking or something.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Yeah. But all right, thank you very much. That's all I needed, just to test the distance and stuff like that. But I appreciate it, babe. Love you.
Love you too. Bye.
here's an unboxing of the Poclink walkie-talkie or radios, whatever you want to call them. So this is what it looked like. As you can see, it's very compact in comparison to the typical ones. This is an old one that I have. It still works. You can see significant difference. They have basically the same buttons, the side buttons, the volume up and down. So let's get to the rest of the box. I'm only gonna open one box. Well, I will open both boxes, but it's basically identical in the boxes. You have a charger, the battery, which is this right here, just like that. That's the battery. And then they have a belt buckle, so this goes in the back. So you don't need the belt buckle, but if you want it, you can use this. And now you basically have the same thing. And let's turn it on. To turn it on, you just press and hold the top button. You have the SIM card already installed in the back. You can see SIM card is installed so that you can use it for long distances. And then you have this. And now both of them are on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set them up and get them connected. But yeah, anyways, like I said, if you want more information about the cellular connectivity and plans and stuff like that, there is no monthly plan. You can go on their website and you can read more about it.